Today I'm giving these bromeliads a new home. I rescued them from a nursery. They were discounted, a little sunburnt, not perfect, but I saw potential, so I bought them. I actually like buying plants like this. There's something satisfying about giving them a second chance. They're a little beat up, but that doesn't mean they're done. These plants like warmth. They like bright light. But what they don't love is that 3 o'clock sun that just scorches the leaves. You can see the leaf burn here. They're dry and crispy. That's from too much direct sun. So here I'm cleaning up the damaged edges. It doesn't magically fix the plant, but it helps it focus on new growth. And honestly, it makes the plant look better. Bromeliads naturally grow in bright but filtered light, so placement really matters. And when it comes to watering, something most people don't know, bromeliads collect water in the center cup instead of watering at the roots. Also, they're part of the pineapple family. In nature, many of them grow under tree canopies, not in the open. So right now we're getting them ready before we plant them. And hopefully I picked the right spot. As you can see, they visibly look better. This is the spot I'm trying. It'll get heat and bright light, but it's protected from harsh late afternoon sun. I'm not an expert on this plant, but I know it likes heat, just not that late afternoon blasting sun. So a morning sun is fine. I'm planting it here, and we'll see how it does. But they should be fine, because I put them in a spot next to other plants that's going to protect them. I've mentioned in other videos, I always mulch around the base. It protects the roots, helps regulate temperature, and holds moisture, especially in warm climates. That makes a big difference. As you can see here, this soil is really dry and hard. It's not the best. Often when you see these videos about bromeliads, you might see them in places like Florida. Well, this isn't Florida. rescued, then planted. Now we let time do its thing. If you love plants and want to see how these turn out over time, subscribe and follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.